welcome to the Eternal City, Rome, a place where every stone tells a story of power, art, and time itself. Today we begin our journey through the heart of the ancient world. This is part 1 of our ultimate walking tour. Our first stop is the iconic symbol of Rome's grandeur, the Flavian Amphitheater, better known as the Colosseum. Standing proudly nearby is the Arch of Constantine, a monumental gateway to the victories of the past. As we walk these ancient paths, we are literally stepping back 2,000 years into the pulse of the Roman Empire. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Completed in 80 AD, this architectural marvel could hold up to 80,000 spectators for gladiatorial games. Imagine the roar of the crowd echoing through these corridors as gladiators prepared for the fight of their lives. The social hierarchy of Rome was reflected in the seating, from the emperor's box to the common citizens above. Below the arena floor lay a complex network of tunnels and elevators used to bring animals and props into the light. It remains the largest standing amphitheater in the world today, a testament to Roman engineering brilliance. But the wonders of ancient Rome extend far beyond these massive walls. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Let's continue our walk. We are now walking on the Sacra Via, the road where triumphal processions once marched toward the Forum. To our right, the remnants of the Temple of Venus in Roma, once the largest temple in the city. We are on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers to share more of these journeys with you. Join our community today. The Roman Forum was the center of day-to-day life in Rome, the site of elections, speeches, and trials. These iconic columns belong to the Temple of Saturn, which also housed the Roman state treasury. And here, the Curia Julia, the heart of the Roman Senate, where some of history's most pivotal decisions were made. From this platform, the Rostra, legendary orators like Cicero once addressed the Roman people. The Arch of Septimius Severus commemorates the Parthian victories, towering over the north end of the Forum. Now, we ascend the Palatine Hill, the centermost of the 7 hills of Rome and the city's birthplace. This was the prestigious residence of kings and later, the sprawling palaces of the emperors. Below us lies the sunken stadium of Domitian, a private garden and racing track for the imperial family. From here, the entire history of Rome unfolds before your eyes. It truly is a sight to behold. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Our journey is just beginning. In part 2, we'll explore the Baroque wonders and the majestic Pantheon. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.